Hi, this is the video for the +5 install for the Razor MX500. I've already took most of the bolts out, so there's 6 that hold the seat and the front bearing a little bit. So those bolts are already out. I take off that. Also take off this fuel tank. And there's also 6 around this motor cover, so I already have those all up. So let me just get you right into the electronics here. Okay. So it's the right hand side of the bike is where the +5 is to be installed. The first thing you're going to look for is a 3-pin connector. That's right on the right hand side here. There's a zip tie. You got to remove that. Get that off there. And this is the plug that you plug the +5 in between there. So here's a +5 new in the package, how you would get. You bought it from yourbin.com. I'll have a description in the video. And here's a +5 already out of the package. So let me see, let me just plug it right in actually, get right to there. Plugs in right there. And that plugs in there. It's the same exact connector, so it just, there's no way to put it on backwards. It goes right in. That's it. And this is the jumper cap. And the RC pack will go to that. And I'll show you where to mount that after. So that's what gives you the speed booster, the 6-cell nickel metal hydride RC batteries, 7.2 volts. So that's it. This is ready to close up. So let me see, I'll just do this real quick. The +5 connector will come right out where there's a big notch here for the speed controller to cool. So you just kind of tuck it all back together. Take me too long to bolt this all together, so I'll just kind of hold it together. So basically you're just putting it right back together again. So you would bolt your tank back on with the 2 bolts, and then your seat will go right back on again. So your +5 wire coming out right here. Okay, so that's it. When the whole bike is together, you'll leave the jumper cap on, just like this. So this is how you would ride your bike, just the way it is, 36 volts. When you want more speed, you just take off the jumper and you add a fully charged 6-cell nickel metal hydride battery, 3000 milliamp or higher. I normally just zip tie it or tape it into the frame right here. That way you can plug it right in quite easily. And that's it. So it's ready to go. You flip it on, you'll have about 42 volts, 43 volts. This pack will fade out quicker than the main pack. So normally most people that buy these, they always have a couple of these batteries on them with their ride. That way, let's say 3000 will fade out in, 30% of the ride. So you just have a couple of packs with you, so you can have the full speed the whole time and stuff. Anyway, so this is the Razor MX500, the same for the MX650, just take off the same seat, pull off the motor cover, plug it in between that 3-pin connector. On this side there's a 4-pin connector, so you're not plugging the +5 there. So make sure you're doing it on the right hand side of the bike. Anyways, you can buy these at yourbin.com. I think we sell them there for about $9. And that's it. Check it out. Thanks.